Okay, Brian. We're gonna engage on Raven in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage on Raven now. Engage on Raven now. Engage in... Walang engage yan. Uy, nag-ako. Yun na pala yung log check natin. Oh, engage yan, engage yan. Nice one. Okay, no walk northwest.
Brawler ka pala.
Nag-roll siya, iniwan ng Zeke.
Go northwest. Go northwest. Gagi, huwag kayo. Okay, now, wait lang. Pa-scout ako lang. Kung okay lang. Let's go southwest, let's go southwest. Southwest of the crowd. Wait, don't cut. Ang mag-cut. Go southwest.
Oh, so good.
Uy,
Dito sila northwest.
Bago lang ba yun?
northwest? Let's walk northwest. Let's go walk northwest. Okay.
Mounted up sila rito sa
Walk
akin.
northwest. Walk northwest.
Dito sila.
Oh, okay, we're gonna catch. Look northwest. We're gonna catch northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang. Itong tatlo. Okay. Now, back west. Full on DPS. Back west. Ano, naglalag ako. Back west. Pa defensives now. Defensives. Wait, get ready pa. Pull ako pa defensives. Sige, pa-fake engage ako, Locks. Pa-fake engage, Locks. Fake engage. Mag-engage yan. Uy, nice. Okay, now, kiss and W's on side of them now. Push mga defensives ko. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna look east, boys. I know, look south. We're gonna engage south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 inside of us, boys. It's big. Nice one, boys.
Nice.
Now look, walk northeast. Pa-sustain tayo. Ito sila Copty, tsaka itong adobong sinigang. Gago. Since when nagka-adobong sinigaw? Okay, na-kiss and W's inside of us. Okay, back southwest. Now look inside of us, ah. Keep walking southwest. Look at Chick. Yeah, vermin. Sige. Regroup tayo mid. Back mid, boys. Back mid. Back na kayo. Pa-heals up to in front.
Mga brawler.
Back mid. Sorry. Come southwest. Walk southwest. Walk southwest. Let's go mid. Mga malayo sa akin, mount up kayo. Keep walking. Hemi me. Okay, now, papascout ulit ako, papilok. Uy, wag yung kompletuhin yan ko. Halikan ko kayo.
Huwag nang harutin yan.
Nagdan ang harating ba?
Itang ina kayo pagka nakap talaga yan.
Camland dito sila.
Sige. Go northwest. Let's try to brawl the shitters.
Ito naglag habang
Brawl northwest. Okay, look, boys, come with me. Hello, nasa northwest ako. May dalawa dito sa
West,
northwest.
northwest.
Hello.
Back
Ay, layo nyo na sa pang. Gago kayo.
Balik.
Malayo ba? Malayo pa sila, no?
Ito. Itong malapit sila. Dito na din sila.
Sige. Hold ako ng isang defensive camp. Let's go southwest. Southwest ng konti, west ng konti. Okay, now look northeast. Uy, gago, they're engaging now, pa defensives now. Okay, keep rolling now, look northeast. We're inside of us, we're gonna engage inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside of us. It's big. Nice one. Now Q's and W's inside of us. Q's and W's. Patap up sa mga healers ko. Now, push east. Ang dami nila sa east. Push east. Get ready for their offensive. They have 5 seconds on offensive. Push them inside of that small choke. No, that's nothing. Just keep pushing.
May ulti ako.
Keep pushing. We're gonna engage south of the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On these three, boys. Okay. Oh, wala na yan. Uy, patap up. Nice one. Okay, pakisang doubles dito kay Mojay. Mukuya. Yeah, team. Pakisang doubles ako. Pakisang doubles ako dito sa mga nasa loob natin, boys. Tatlo pa sila. Okay. Isa na lang. Ay, dalawa pa. Nice one. Last one kay Lex on the room. Lex. Back yung huwag kayo mag-overextend, boys. May nakikita ko sa mga team, napakalayo sa akin. Pag kayo nadali dyan, gagi.
Nice one, may ilar ka.
Gagi. Back northwest. Amatay ako.
Parang gago, hindi ko alam kung may nagawa ba ako doon.
Back northwest.
Ay, pala ka na ang gawin eh.
Tulog mo naman to. Gago ngayon lang ako nakahawak nito, legit.
Oh, tayo na bumatay.
100 arcade yung ginagamit ko.
Ano ulit ako?
Undecided sila pero nasa dito.
Yan na pala si Det.
Southwest na sila pre Southwest.
Come with me northwest. We're gonna try something new, something fun. Let's go Northwest. Let's go Northwest. Northwest. Sige, huwag niyo tong Northwall.
Sorry,
Boys,
napindot ko yung Judy.
Go Northwall. Huwag niyo ng konti. Konti lang. Okay, wait lang. Nandun pa rin sila sa baba? Or somewhere else?
Yeah,
They're rapping.
papasok na sila.
Look east. We're gonna engage east in 5. Wait lang, defensives now. Pa-defensives ako. We have Kamlan. What the heck? Okay, so look east. Pa-fake engage ako, Lux northeast. Pa-fake engage ng northeast. Sige. Sige. Wait lang, fake lang yan. Walang kumibo. Okay, now look inside of us. We're gonna engage inside of us. Look south. We're gonna engage inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Okay, now. Brawl. Padrop ako ng heals. Padrop ako ng Judy. I'm dropping Judy. Okay. Heals up, boys. Heals up. Hindi pala pwede yung ganun. Okay, Kitchen Doubles. Lagi ang dami nila. Get ready, defensives.
May engage ako, Seth. May
Get ready, defensives now. Okay, now, we have 8 seconds defensives. 8 seconds engage. Okay? Now, look southeast to the choke. We're gonna engage on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big on the choke. Nice one, boys. Now, push them back. Push them back. Back west. Nasaan si Tels? Okay, now. Kitchen Doubles dito sa, natin. Tels on the room. Inside of us. Kitchen Doubles, wait. They're gonna, wala lang to be honest. Okay, now, Kitchen Doubles. Huwag kayo masyadong mag-overextend yung mga nandyan, Back kayo. Back to me, boys. Back to me. Defensives, hold this choke. They're engaging pa, defensives ako. Sabi na Now look northeast. Wait. Inch up northeast, wala silang engage. We're gonna engage northeast in 5, 4. Wait, what the heck, naglag ako. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me now. On me. Big, it's 3, these 3. Wait lang naman. Okay, Kitchen Doubles. Back south. Baba na kayo ng choke. Naglag ako, sorry. Southwest na. Run. Back na kayo dyan, Tels. Hahalikan kita, Tels. Papi Dayag, back na kayo dyan. Southwest. Back southwest pa. Nadali si Sephiroth. Condiments.
Dalawa ko sila
Dala sila. Condiments. Kung una ko nakita, condiments study, abs, G, tsaka
Sorry.
Mascot ako, Tels. Ay, Lux nandyan na kayo. Kamid.
Mounted lang sila.
Sige.
Condiments kami.
Come to me.
Going southeast sila.
Southeast. Ano ba pwede natin gawin ng maiba naman? Actually, let's try yung gustong gawin ni Lux kanina. Yung brawls tayo. Okay? Back southwest. Nasaan sila, Lux? Nandyan pa
Dito
rin.
sila sa akin. Going down the stairs.
Mounted or no?
Dismounted.
Dismounted.
Okay. Go west. We're gonna go open world. Mali tayo. May mali ako, dapat open field. Di ako sanay ng open world. Let's go northwest to the big stairs, boys. Big stairs. Big stairs.
Brawler nila binobrawl
Big stairs. Okay, now hold this up.
Nag-hold lang sila dito sa southeast.
Southeast, holding lang sila.
Nag-hold lang sila sa southeast. Down the stairs.
Down the stairs, okay, we walk southeast, boys. We walk southeast. Brawlers go in. Brawlers, they're engaging.
Pero fake engage.
Wala,
Fake.
Okay, sige, isa pang engage na. May isa pang silang engage. Get ready, they're engaging now. Defensive, please. Nice, enigmatic. Okay, now we're gonna counter inside of us. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside of us. It's big, and I love it. It's big, like my foot. Never mind. No, keep rolling. Push them back now, boys. Push them back. Okay, nice. Engage. Nice. Enigmatic, wala yan. Now, keep pushing. Get ready. Papa, hold on me a bit. We're gonna We're gonna engage on Alua in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito kay Alu. Nice. Okay, now back southwest. Pa-top up petals. Pa-top up stuff. Oh, look si Graham. Defend, kill Graham. Go west, boys. Nanonood tayo na. Hindi ko napansin. Let's go west. Keep walking west.
Sabi sa'yo, Lox eh.
Okay. Okay na.
I'm a little bear.
Sabi
You're a
sa'yo, Nox,
little
sarap
bit.
ng hatak nan.
Ang cute to.
Okay, now go west a bit, west a bit. West to me a bit. Come to me, west a bit.
MMA siya.
MMA. Go south, go south to me, boys. Medyo malayo tayo.
Going southeast ulit sila.
South.
Going southeast
Face
ulit
daw.
sila. Baba na stairs, mounting up sila.
Sige.
They're
Pag
going
nag-
northwest, they're going northwest.
Northwest to me. Okay. We're going northwest. Okay. Back east tayo,
Sila
back
nandito
east
sila,
tayo.
mounted up sila dito sa akin.
Yamada tayo, southeast. Sige, Yamada tayo. Go southeast, boys. Go southeast on me. No one dismount Kalista. No one dismount Kalista. Okay, keep going southeast back. Sige. Okay, boys. We're gonna engage north. We're gonna engage in north. 4, 3, 2, 1. Up north. Okay, now defensive, get ready. Defensives now. Nice one. Nice heals. Okay, now Fusion double E. Brawl inside of them now, boys. All, keep rolling. Pa-help kayo, stand down sa south. Yeah, may engage wala tayong engage. Sige, keep rolling inside of us, boys. Keep roll. Walk north to the big stairs. Wala yan. Nice one. They're engaging now. Pasok now. Pasok. Okay, now look on the big stairs. We're gonna engage on the big stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. It's big. You have big CT DPS. Nice one. Now keep rolling inside of us. Kay Daddy Abs. May abs si Daddy Abs. Okay, now, one more kill, boys. Isa pang kill. They done. Nice.
Ah,
GG.
good job. GG.